What do we need to prepare when we cook?
In the world of cooking, I believe there are 3 essential steps. First and foremost, we must ensure our cooking utensils are ready, clean, and neatly organized. The second step is the heart of our culinary journey, menu selection. It's imperative to choose the right recipes and ensure we have all the necessary ingredients. We also need to prepare all the ingredients by shopping for them, washing them, and chopping them, etc. The last step involves preparing the environment, making sure our kitchen has the proper smoke and oil extractor, also known as cooker hood, to prevent any culinary chaos and ensure clean air. Once these preparations are complete, we can embark on our cooking adventure. Let's take an example. If we plan to make salmon the star of our meal, we must decide how we'd like to prepare it, whether it's steamed, grilled, fried, or prepared in another way. We also need to consider the perfect vegetables and sauce to accompany this delectable fish. Cooking isn't a walk in the park, but it's an enjoyable and rewarding endeavor. As the saying goes, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. So, let's roll up our sleeves and savor the delicious results.
Contact Dr. N in England.